The 1830 typesetting changed Nephi's personal lament into general observation. 2 Nephi 4:26 presents a compelling case for a typesetting error. The printer's manuscript reads, "Children of men hath visited me in so much misery." Yet every printed edition since 1830 has read, "Children of men hath visited men in so much misery." The manuscript reading fits the immediate context of Nephi's personal lament, where he repeatedly speaks in the first person, using I, mine, and my within the same verse. Replacing me with men abruptly shifts the passage from autobiography to a generalized statement about humanity, disrupting the flow of Nephi's self-reflection. Despite both manuscript evidence and contextual consistency favoring me, the compositor's alteration remains uncorrected in every published edition of the Book of Mormon.